I'm Matt Swartz, Senior Editor with Expedition Portal and Overland Journal, and today on Field Tested we're talking about the Agawa Gear Boreal 24 folding bow saw. So this is a compact travel saw from Agawa Gear. They're a Canadian company with a background in industrial design and engineering, and they thought to themselves, we can make a better folding bow saw, and it's my opinion that they did. The Boreal 24 is the 24-inch model saw that they make. So they actually have three. They have an 18, a 22, and a 24. And as you can see, it's a nice compact saw. It's just 21 ounces, made from aluminum and fiberglass, and it stores in this nice nylon case right here to keep it safe. So when it comes to the saw itself, it's very straightforward and easy to set up. You simply open it. There you go. So some of the things that I like about this saw that clearly show that there's been some thought put into this is the angle of the different parts here. So on a lot of traditional bow saws, you just get one piece of metal going straight from the tip of the blade back to the top of the handle. And what happens is it gives you less usable blade length. But on the Boreal 24, because this end piece comes straight up and because the handle comes down at this great angle here, we can use almost the entirety of the blade when we're making cuts, which is really useful. It just allows you to do a lot more work with fewer blade strokes. So Agawa Gear makes a couple different blades. This is the Sydney Rancher blade. So this is the most aggressive blade that they have. It removes the most wood per stroke. And it works fantastic. We've used this in camp many occasions to process firewood for the campfire. And it's held up great. There's almost no signs of use on this. And so I've taken to carrying this in my truck just as a backup saw option in case I need to cut something that's fallen down in the trail. It takes up very little space, and I've even gone backpacking with it, although even though it's lightweight for a bow saw, I probably wouldn't backpack with it on a regular basis. So the Boreal 24 is the biggest saw that Agawa Gear makes, and it retails for about $80. It's a great solution if you want a lightweight, compact saw to use in the backcountry or at camp. And for today's hack, we've got this Snow Seal brand boot and leather waterproofing. This stuff is fantastic. It's made out of beeswax, and it can help keep your leather products functioning well, especially in drier environments like here in Arizona where we live. You just take a little bit of this beeswax-based substance, and using a rag, you can apply it to leather, especially leather that's kind of worn. Not only does it add some waterproofing to it, it helps soften it up and make it look like new.